So let's take a look at how to work with methods in Vue.Js. So first thing, go to Vue.js.org, and here I'm going to find CDN address from get started page. Once copied, I have opened text editor and created one boilerplate HTML page. So I'm just gonna post it here and save the file and open one instance in Chrome. Okay, so I have one tab open showing blank HTML page, and here inside body I'm gonna create one div ID. Let's name it app. Okay, and here I'm gonna simply use old tag, and I'm gonna say, let's say Vue.js tutorial by then colon. Okay, and rest of the message I want to display using method in Vue.js. Okay, so create one script tag, and here we are going to instantiate Vue using new Vue, then point our element to app. Next thing, also I'm going to use data and create one name that points to my channel name. Okay, so Devnami YouTube. Okay, now I want to create a method. To create method, we simply start with methods, then colon, and then curly bracket. Inside this, I'm gonna create one method named notif, and then colon, and then function, and within bracket, and then curly bracket. Now inside this, I'm gonna simply type in return, and let's say channel, and then concatenate with this dot name. Okay, save this. Now we can go ahead and refresh our HTML page, and it shows Vue.js tutorial by, and this remains blank. The reason for it is we didn't specify our method here, so double curly bracket notif and then bracket. Okay, so check this syntax again and save the page, refresh, and here you see Vue.js tutorial by channel and then Devnami YouTube. Okay, so it is fetching this return data when we call notif method. You can add multiple methods here, okay, and then use them the way you see fit through use of templates or any other specific use you want within those methods. So this was a short demo on how to use methods in Vue.js.